Good day everybody, Pieter here from RVFinders, and welcome to another edition of RVFinders Thursday Tip. Now this week is our tip number 2. Last week we spoke about having your lifestyle choices sorted when it comes to buy a caravan or motorhome. Now this week we want to, just after you've decided what your lifestyle choices are, then you will go over to the physical attributes of the motorhome or caravan. That is where the floor plan comes in, as well as everything that comes with the motorhome, like your accessories and your extras. And in that sense, we actually created a form for you to help you tick the boxes, as they say. So in motorhomes and caravans, you can't always get all the boxes ticked, but you can get really close. So if you would like to know more, contact me and I will send that form off to you and see how we can help you best to tick most of the boxes. So you can also go on our Facebook page, our website, our YouTube channel. There's a few more videos for you, not just of motorhomes and caravans, but also about more tips and tricks, and also Friday facts of RV Finders. Thank you so much for watching, and looking forward to give you the next tip hopefully probably in the next week or so. Have a good day. Bye.